Hi everyone, it's Helen Godden here and great to see you for the new year. I'm very excited to announce I have a new block of the month for you to join in, and this time it's called Midnight Magic. So if you can imagine all those little forest creatures that run around and get up to mischief in the moonlight when we're all in bed asleep, that's the theme for this year's block of the month. So how do these block of the months work? Well, we run them through private Facebook groups, and once you join those groups you get access to all the patterns to print out. There's video content there of me painting and quilting every step of the way, and there's all the other members from across the world in that group together, and you all sort of share ideas and share photos, and it's quite interactive in that respect. So I've got 3 block of the months from previous years, which by chance have ended up in quite a sequence of sort of challenge level, if you like. So the very first one, Quirky Collections, is at a base level for beginners, absolute beginners to painting, etc. We then have Feathered Friends, which feature all our beautiful colourful birds of Australia. And then the more challenging one from last year was called Curiouser and Curiouser, which was of course based on Alice in Wonderland. So you can choose to join any of these block of the months at any time. If they're from a previous year, you can virtually go in there and binge watch them. You don't have to wait for each month to get the content. But the one that's being launched on February 1st is the brand new one for the new year, where you will have to wait each month for that content. It's called Midnight Magic, and if you want to read more about that, just click that link below and you'll find out more information to join in the fun for this year. Hope to see you soon. HelenGodden.com